Anywhere you go, any function you go, become loving to everybody. Talk to everybody. Hi, 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 hi. All okay, Sure, okay, take care of yourself, Okay, bye. Okay. Sure, you need help or not? You need money or not? Offer. They like you. You believe me. That's how you cari makan. We make money like that. I go, I don't care color, I care race and all this. People look for me. Even I go to Kalimantan, I come after 2 weeks, people still wait for me. They go, I don't want to give anybody else, give it to you. Even if you take 1 year, never mind. You do this business for me. I wait for you. And that business is maybe small, but it's full of blessing, We love that. We don't want people to give us all this million, and then come and curse. All stolen money, all rotten money. We don't want that kind of business. And one day policemen come look for you, one day, some thugs come look for you. We don't want that kind of business. We see the background no good, I don't do business with you. Because the money is not a clean money. One day sure the problem, Sure problem, sure. All will be gone. People don't see, people see only money, but they don't see what money come from where, whether drug money, or money laundering, stolen money, or robbery money. We don't care, we just do business. After that, then all problem. So in this world, please value love and affection. And we are the successful people in the world. Always anywhere you go, politician, minister, straight away telling. Because everybody is seeking for love, Even the minister, even the president of the country, they want love. And he wants love, you give him love. Boss, I love you. Anywhere SMS, last you put, I love you. What's wrong? I like you. I like the way you do business. Learn how to appreciate people. Learn how to actually puji people, bodek people, try to jet people. In this world, that's why when you do this top chakra opening, when you concentrate more often, you feel very high like that, That's why when people talk good about us, we always feel very nice, like carried away. This is a chakra. But whereas the drug addicts, when they start taking the drugs like ecstasy pills or whatever pills they take, this pineal gland will become very active because it actually affects our nervous system. The nervous system, the most difficult one is this one. And because the drugs are so powerful, it will activate this pineal gland. It will actually affect the pineal gland. Pineal gland, when it wants to go away, when it wants to break down, it will activate very fast. That's why drug addicts, when they go into addiction, this kind of thing, drug taking business, they feel very high. This is the chakra we're talking about. But in meditation, we have the same effect of what a drug addict will get. We have the same thing also. But we don't take drugs, we just feel very, very high. That's why this opening of top chakra for you is very important today. So when you start doing this chakra opening, you will have that feeling. Especially during the full moon day, the whole day in the next 3 days. 1 day before full moon, on the day of full moon, that day after full moon, 3 days, even though you meditate here, these chakras start working better because during the full moon day, the moon is closer to the earth. So the vibration, the radiation is more stronger. Even the gravitational pull is stronger. So every human being will have the effect. That's why during full moon day, all of us are supposed to go and do prayers and meditate or think about God. During the full moon day, more positive energy throughout the universe, or at least for Earth. That's why the prayers are conducted in any temple during the full moon day. But during the new moon day, the total darkness, people don't do all the good things. But still we insist, must meditate because we need protection. We need protection because when there's no full moon day, there's no full moon, no positive vibration, that means negative vibration will be more. So when there's a stronger negative vibration, that means the evil spirits activity is more. So we must meditate, or we must have a spiritual feeling. We must have belief in God. At least that belief will protect us. That's why we are governed by this positive energy and negative energy outside the body and inside the body. So when you have this meditation, continuously doing regularly, we don't have this problem. We are always being protected. We always have, because this is the energy we are talking about, the universal energy. When this energy is very strong, it actually becomes in harmony with the universal energy. So the universal energy governs our body, and everything in accordance with nature. Just like the people who do meditation are very happy because they don't worry about dying, because once we die, our spirit goes to another world. That world is taken care of. We already now put some fixed deposit in it, some values in it, and our elevation is better. Those who have spiritual value, when they die, they go higher. So we don't have to come back as a spirit again and come back and come to earth again as a human being. You know, we have to now get this thing, the cycle of human life and death are disconnected. We must detach ourselves from this world totally. That's why our mission in this world is go back to origin. The moment we come here, we have some purpose. The purpose is take away all the karmas, put good values in our mind, purify our soul, and enrich our soul, and merge with the Supreme. Don't come back, and don't come back as human being. Once you are born as human being, you have to suffer as human being. That means you must go to school, you must go to sleep, you must eat, you must fall sick, you must become old, you must have all this commitment. Can you imagine a world? Huh? You are living, there's no body. You are alive, but no body. And because no body, no need to eat. And because no body, no need to eat, no need to go to work, no need to study. But you can go anywhere. You travel anywhere. That's why people call it Swarga, heaven. Heaven is a place where you don't have human body, but you can go anywhere, full of fun. Everybody, because there's no body, no house to stay, so no land to buy, no building to buy, and no rich, no poor, everybody's safe. That is the world we're talking about, permanent world. Every religion insists we must go to Nirvana, we must go to Swarga, paradise. So we must put preparation. This is the preparation. Any question?
If no body, how we look like?
That's fine.
Your physical.
Okay, that's why last time we came, we taught you how to do the practice of soul traveling one. That means normally after death, our spirit will go away from the body. But those yogis like us, when we start doing this third eye meditation, we can purposely take our soul out of the body, come back, and continue our journey, continue our life. So when you come out, what you feel actually is, you are there, you can see the world, 360 degrees, you can see the entire world, you can see Singapore, you can see everything, but no human body. And you know, you can go to Malaysia, you can go to Singapore, other country, Australia, you got no body. You got no physical body to carry out, but you are there. This is our mind. That's why when we die, our thoughts, our mind, our desires don't die. You know, death is only for your body. The knowledge that you have doesn't die. The desire to buy a BMW car doesn't die. The desire to eat pakute doesn't die. 2 o'clock you want to eat pakute, 1 o'clock accident mati. How? 2 o'clock you put in your mind, I want to eat pakute, but 1 o'clock you die, accident, you are dead today. But your spirit will look for 2 o'clock because you're so used to it. 2 o'clock your spirit will look for pakute. That's why for these people we do all these prayers, put piglets lah, put all the food like the junction there. That's where the accident occurs. So the spirits are still hanging around there without food. You know, the human but no body. Human body tada, they don't have human physical body, but they're still human, hanging around. But bad fellas, jealous fella, greedy fella, gangster, robber, all the murderer, police shot him dead. Body is cremated or buried. But his bad habits are still there hanging around here. This is what we call evil spirit. They turn into evil spirit. They got no body, you cannot see them, but they are there. So if you have the evil feelings, they come in contact with you. You are 93.3 megahertz, the frequency. They are the murderous frequency, same, they come link with you. So you become his supporter. He enters your body, he commits more murder through you. If you are drinking kaki, if you are drunkard, the spirit of alcohol, you know, the guys are also dead people who are alcoholic, come in contact with you. Because they have the taste, they have the desire for craving for beer, and you drink, so they enter your body, they drink and go. You don't believe? Likewise, positive way. If your Swamiji always believe in Swamiji, Sai Baba, this and that, Sai Baba will come in contact with you. in your dreams. So when you go in your dream, actually dream is a temporary death, you know. When you go into deep dream, your body is there, your mind goes out, you know. Actually you are traveling. You see the world. But the dream happens so many in so many ways, you know. Sometimes your mind, the information is very fresh in your mind. It becomes a dream, you know, immediately. Sometimes previous birth recordings are there inside deep in your mind. It becomes also a dream. Sometimes future, because of fear you put, it becomes, you know, a dream. Sometimes people, you know, like you are a sexy looking woman, you walk in the street daytime, people see your body sexual, oh, this lady very good, very sexy. That night the man can think about you, he can fantasize thinking about you, and you cannot sleep here. In your house you cannot sleep, because somebody is disturbing mentally, as though he's sleeping with you, having fun with you. That's why ladies are not supposed to expose themselves. Because the man's mind can disturb you. That's why a lot of ladies at night time cannot sleep. Why? Because, no, I cannot sleep. I feel something like somebody disturbing me. This is the thing. That's why we always ask you to cover. You know? Men also like that. Sometimes you're too handsome. Some ladies also put program, they disturb you mentally. Sometimes you sleep as though you have, you know, all kind of disturbance, you know, in dream. Guru, I have this problem, Guru, as though I feel as though somebody is sleeping on me, somebody is as though having fun with me, hugging me, kissing me. What is this, Guru? That means one lady is going after you. So we need protection. Sometimes gangsters, sometimes your enemy can put program for you. In Malaysia, it's very common. People take your photo and go and give to one Bomo. What the Bomo does, the psychic healers, what they do? They just take your photo, the medium lah, take the photo, call one spirit, hey, this guy has given me some money, I'm supposed to do something, some harm to him. What is his date of birth? What is his address? Okay. So they program the mind, the spirit will come to your house, disturb you. That's why people charm, you know, send negative energy. So we need protection. That's why we put all the Buddha's photo, we put all this Chinese, all these spiritual things, you know, protection everywhere. You know. But once we have the third eye meditation, don't worry. Anywhere we go, we are protected. Even you don't think about the third eye, you just go to sleep.